Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your OPPO Reno 4 Lite, at the first you have to tap on the calendar, then click on this arrow, click here, and then tap on this marker, click on the event, and right now you have to add the title. Here you can pick up the day when you want to set up your event. Of course, you can set up also the hours and the minutes. And here we are able to change the day of event. And of course, we are able to customize other things. For example, we can add some notification. We can also make the description of this event. And if you set up everything, you have to click on this save button on the right upper corner. And right now, when we scroll down, our event will be probably right here. Where did I? Oh, here it is. So here we get our event, and of course you can also just take it off if you change the plans or something. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.